No matter what your skin type is, a moisturizer is an indispensable part of any skincare routine. However, it is even more important to choose a moisturizer which is free from harsh chemicals, suits your skin type, and is also budget friendly. And if you thought that toxin-free products are always costly, then let us break the myth, as in this video I am going to share with you 5 daily moisturizers which are 100% safe and are also under Rs 299. Number 1 is my favorite, as it is 100% Ayurvedic and works like just magic. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. What product do you use to moisturize your face? Have you ever gone through its ingredient list? You will be shocked to know that 9 out of 10 brands in India are simply using captivating words like wrinkle-free, anti-aging, but sell nothing more than toxins. These products have parabens, skin irritants, skin penetrators, and even carcinogens. Such moisturizers may provide a short-term relief but damage the skin in the long run. Then there are brands that sell you toxins in the name of Ayurveda and herbal. And let me tell you that there are many brands in the market which may try to confuse you with claims of toxin-free, natural, and all that good stuff, but when you look at their ingredient list, you are left disappointed. For this video, I have rejected numerous such brands. However, there are some startup brands which are genuinely making toxin-free products. I salute each one of them for their effort, although not everybody can afford them. So to resolve this issue, I have researched and found 5 daily moisturizers which are not only 100% natural but are also quite budget friendly. Starting with number 5 on the list is Neeve's Kumkumadi Face Moisturizer. If you are looking for a moisturizer in a cream form without missing out on the benefits of Ayurvedic Kumkumadi Tail, this is the one for you. And mind you, it is not one of those so-called Kumkumadi creams floating around in the Indian market. Well, if you compare it with its commercial rival, apart from thumping their chest about Kumkumadi Tail, all we see is that most ingredients are hidden in a cream base, and on top of it, harsh preservatives like DMDM Hydantoin are also added. Well, it surely is far from Ayurvedic. Instead of hiring big celebrities, if they had invested a little more on their research, it could have lived up to their bold Ayurvedic claims. On the other hand, Neeve's Kumkumadi Face Moisturizer is made from Kumkumadi Tail along with other essential oils and safe preservatives. No sulfates, no parabens, no EDTAs, no cosmetic colors or artificial fragrances. If you have dry, sensitive, or even normal skin, this product is worth putting your hands on. 100 ml of it will cost you Rs 300. Next on the list is Greenworth Pure Aloe Vera Gel. If you have a very oily skin, aloe vera gel is probably the best moisturizer for you. Due to its cooling, non-greasy, gel-like texture, it is highly effective in soothing acne and other inflammatory skin disorders. But why Greenworth Pure Aloe Vera Gel? Why not Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel, which is way cheaper and easily available? Well, the answer lies in their ingredients. If you check, Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel has 90% aloe vera, while the 10% base material consists of cosmetic colors, fragrance, and preservatives. What preservatives have been used is unclear. However, this much is clear that it is toxic. The synthetic colors and fragrance can irritate sensitive skin readily and can damage other skin types in long run. So if you had been using this popular aloe vera gel, it's time to change it. And why just blame Patanjali? During the research of this video, I was rather shocked to know that most brands are adding harsh chemicals to a product which can easily be sold in its pure form with some safe preservatives. For example, this Amazon bestseller aloe vera gel by Indus Valley has carbomer in it. Urban Botanics aloe vera gel has propylene glycol. That's where Greenworth Pure Aloe Vera Gel stands apart, as along with aloe vera extract, it has glycerin, xanthan gum, which is a safe plant-based thickener, vitamin E, and safe preservatives like sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate. And it is quite pocket friendly. 200 ml of it will cost you Rs 230. Surely worth it. Number 3 on the list is Santulan's Radha Face Oil. Made using milk, curd, and 30 effective herbs in a base of coconut oil, this is an Ayurvedic formulation handcrafted especially for face skin. If you have somehow damaged your skin by using toxic products, then a product like this can definitely bring back the lost luster. Being oil-based, moisturizing the skin is just a parallel effect of it. It has many skin-friendly herbs like gulab, nimba, anant mool, and neel kamal that find an elaborate mention in Ayurvedic Ayurvedic texts like Bhav Prakash Nighantu. This beauty oil can actually help you get rid of acne, pigmentation and dark spots. Simply take a few drops of it and gently massage it all over the face. 50 ml of Santulan's Radha face oil will cost you Rs 225. Considering the quality of its ingredients, it's worth the price. Number 2 on the list is Indus Valley's Brightening Depigmentation Gel, another toxin-free option for people who have oily skin. Unlike Indus Valley's aloe vera gel, surprisingly this product has no harmful chemicals. That is why I always recommend checking the ingredients of the product rather than blindly following any brand. Indus Valley's this moisturizing gel is made from organic tea tree oil, cow yogurt, grapefruit seed extract, organic rose water, wheat germ oil, honey, thickeners like cellulose and guar gum, and mild preservatives like potassium sorbate and benzyl alcohol. Since it is a tea tree oil based product, it can effectively be used for acne prone skin. Honey and cow yogurt are both well known for brightening the skin. If you have dry skin, in that case these gel based moisturizers can come handy for you in the summer season. 50 ml of Indus Valley's this non-greasy gel will cost you Rs 250. Now before I reveal my top pick, here are a few honorable mentions which you might already have at your place. Believe it or not, before 500 plus creams hit the Indian market, people were still able to moisturize their face. The trick is to use cold pressed oils correctly. Sesame oil, due to its balancing properties, can be used by all skin types and all year long. Mustard oil is recommended in the winters for dry, flaky skin. Coconut oil, due to its cooling nature, is best suited in summers and for treating inflammatory issues of the skin. Coming back, the number 1 spot is my favorite, Kumkumadi Tailam. Kumkumadi Tailam is a classical Ayurvedic formulation carefully prepared centuries ago, especially for uplifting the health of face skin. Kumkumadi Tailam finds mention in 2 Ayurvedic texts, Ashtanga Hridayam and Bhaishajya Ratnavali. A wonderful blend of saffron, sandalwood, goat milk, jasmine and almost 20 other herbs, it is not just a natural moisturizer but is a wholesome beauty product. It is well known for its anti-aging properties. That is why you can see today many brands simply marketing their products on its name. But this is the original. It is often recommended to get rid of pigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, blackheads, pimples, blemishes, and even in treating skin infections and conditions like eczema. Simply take a few drops of it and apply it on your face, gently massaging all over. It works way better than those so-called moisturizing creams available in the market. Kumkumadi Tailam can be used by all skin types, although it works best for sensitive and dry, flaking skin. 30 ml of this Kumkumadi Tailam will cost you Rs 260 and will easily run through one season. There are many brands who make this formulation. I have picked a few and linked them in the description box. So these were 5 moisturizing products which I feel you should definitely try. I feel proud to mention that all these 5 products are made by Indian brands. I also want to confirm that whatever I have spoken in this video is my honest opinion. None of the featured brands have paid me. All these 5 moisturizers are linked in the description box. You can buy them as per your skin type and budget. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then please give a big thumbs up. If you are looking for a toxin-free face wash for your skin type, Mamaearth's newly launched Vitamin C face wash is one good option in the Indian market. Go through its ingredients and you will find that it has no sulfates, no parabens, no EDTAs, artificial fragrances or cosmetic colors. Enriched with turmeric and vitamin C, Mamaearth's this face wash is 100% safe and is recommended for men and women of all skin types. It is made in India and is quite budget friendly too. 100 ml of it is priced at Rs 249, although for FitTuber community there is a special 21% off. So to buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram where I almost every Saturday at 11 AM do a Q&A session. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.